Hello, welcome to BestTechLearn channel. Today we are going to discuss about which type of company is better for freshers. So if you are a fresher, then this is the right time to know the which type of company you wanted to join and what are the benefits if you join into the MNC company, what are the benefits if you join in the small scale company. This all we are going to see in this video. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Okay, now let's get into the topic. Here if you see, uh, I can say if you are a fresher, then see there are advantages in both the company, both type of companies and disadvantages as well. I'll tell you both pros and cons as well. Here, if you are a fresher, then let's select MNC company first of all. If you select MNC multinational company, then I mean large scale company we can say. Then, what are the benefits? You will get to know the structure hierarchy of the management, like a project, DM, project manager, and team lead, and then your role developer or engineer role. That way the hierarchy you will get to know, and there are multiple people will be there, the communication will be high, and also you will know the what whatever the code they will give, whatever the code snippet they will give, that only you have to develop. You will not get a much idea on what is going on the back end. Okay, but if you select a small scale company, there, as we know, there are resources are less than if any requirement gets, you can get a chance that to involve in all the phases of the project. Like you can involve in the requirement gathering, design phase, and development, testing, maintenance. In all the phases, you will be the hero over there. So I can say most of the small scale companies will involve you in all the phases because they have a less resources, so you will get a chance to learn multiple technologies in all the phases. The overall view you will get in a small scale companies, but in MNCs you will get only as part of your role. You will get only your role related work. You will not get much, but in case of small scale company, the pay will be for freshers, the pay will be minimal. I mean, less when compared with the MNCs. There are some companies they'll give good pay also, even small scale companies, but most of the companies, when compared with the MNCs, they'll pay less, but you will get a lot of knowledge, I can say. So in the future, once you get a experience, I mean 3 to 4 years of experience, then you will become like a master in the technologies and in the project. So in all the phases, you can say that in your resume, you can add that I am a expertise in both the technical and functional. So you will be like a multifunctional guy. So then you can demand your package once you work in a small company as a fresher. Then you will be like a I mean, you will be like, I can say that a good resource for the other companies. So that's what I can say. If you work in MNCs, yeah, whatever the work you they give, that only you do. There are few projects were there. Maybe you will get a chance, but not like in a small scale company. You will get like only, I mean, there are 2 to 3 phases you can get involved, not into all the phases in the MNCs. Okay, so this is what, as part of my opinion, as part of my experience, I can say that if you work as a fresher, if you work in a small scale company, you will get lot of knowledge and multiple skills you can learn, and then you can demand in the future high pay as well in other companies. Okay, so if you work in MNCs, yeah, you will get good communication, and I mean even in small scale also company communication you will get, but there are some cases I can say. So yeah, communication and you know the hierarchy. If you work in MNCs as a fresher also, later on you have to put a more effort when you are becoming as experienced person to learn the new technologies so that you can jump. Otherwise, it will be difficult. So this is what my suggestion. Yeah, this is my opinion. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.